Hi guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video I'm going to show you how I tie a slip knot. When starting to crochet, a slip knot is one of the first skills you should learn because it is used to begin almost any project. Many people struggle with the slip knot and get overwhelmed because it looks more complicated than it is. If you find the slip knot to be difficult for you, slow down, take a breath, and try again. The slip knot is easy to learn as long as you take your time and pay close attention to what you are doing. The only material you need to follow along with this video is some yarn. To start, I line up the tail of the yarn with the edge of my hand. I secure the yarn against my palm using my pinky and ring finger. This part of the yarn is going to stay here the entire time I'm making my knot. It's secured. It shouldn't move, it's just going to stay here. Next, I use my right hand to pick up the yarn that is not secured down. I wrap this yarn behind my two fingers and bring it back to the front, making sure to cross the yarn that is already there. If your yarn is in the shape of an X, you are on the right track. If not, you should rewind this video and try again until you are able to see the X. At this point, my thumb and pointer finger need to be in a pinching shape. I want you to imagine these fingers as a mouth that can open or close. With a closed mouth, I enter into the loop that I created before. Here's the loop. I'm going to show you from a side angle. I open the mouth and then pinch or bite down on the yarn. While continuing to bite down on the yarn, I pull my fingers back through the loop, pulling the loop closed and finishing my knot. To begin my crochet project, I insert my hook into the slip knot. To make the knot tighter, I pull on the long string that is connected to the skein of yarn. To make the knot looser, I pull on the tail or the shorter end of the yarn. When you are crocheting, you should loosen the knot enough that it can easily slide up and down your hook. If your slip knot is getting stuck on your hook, it is too tight. Loosen it up just a little until it moves comfortably on your hook. If you want to undo your knot and start over, remove your hook. Hold the tail in one hand, the long string in the other, and pull. Once you get the hang of creating a slip knot, check out my next video to learn how to hold your hook and yarn. Thanks for watching.